I'm so excited to show you these fabrics, you guys. Saturday fabrics. These are the suede knits. They're faux suede, stretch in both directions. Both sides are usable. They're wonderful. And I've got 6 colors that are just beautiful. We're going to do them today for $17.99, today and tomorrow, or however long they last. I don't have big quantities of any of them, but let me show you the colors. They're great for like Hugo's cardigan, $9.15, $9.23, Eva's cardigan, $2.11, Nina's top, yoga pants. They're just so cute for like comfortable at home or out. I mean, but just you could do the whole outfit monochromatic. They're just lovely. The colors are beautiful, stretches both directions. They're cotton poly. Oh, they're lovely. I'm so excited to get them at such a good price. So $17.99. So this is olive green. And then I've got a rose. And see, they always say both sides are usable. This is the back side, but it's very well, it's the same color. One side is sueded, so make sure all your patterns are, going in the right direction, same direction, not the right direction, the same direction. This is a brown. Isn't that pretty? They're so pretty. This is a gold. I love this one. I gotta do something out of this one. Beautiful. And so you see there are enough, even the light colors are substantial. You can't see through them. There's a navy. Oh, they're just wonderful. Wash them, wear them, dry them. They're just easy. This is a milk. But again, wouldn't this be a beautiful like little sweatsuit, warm-up suit, whatever? Even the milk. You can't see through them. They're strong. They're good colors. Ah, I'm just so excited. So we have milk, navy, a gold, I'm going to call it tan maybe, a brown, a rose, and an olive green. Yay! Saturday fabrics. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.